Well, thanks for clicking on to part two of the video. I ran out of memory, so I'm going to do this in a two-part today. Now, like I was saying earlier in the video in part one, we are watching that the modelling is indicating above normal precipitation here across the Atlantic. So I explained earlier about the healthy Eastern African wave train and the extension out into the Atlantic here. And what the models are indicating as an increase in precipitation compared to normal through the Caribbean and up into the southeastern United States, which tells me that the model is indicating some sort of tropical mischief as we go in to the latter half of July. So the CFSV2, of course, this is the 7-day increments above and below normal. You also notice that we've got an increase in precipitation. This is a good sign here for Thailand, because this should hopefully start to kill the intense heat that we've seen for just simply not weeks but months. And we continue to see a very healthy monsoon pattern over India as well. Now, what I also wanted to look at quickly, folks, is of course we had an area of low pressure over the United Kingdom in the last few days, and what we've seen is a new 24-hour June record for rainfall. We had 257 millimetres of rainfall in Hunter Pass in the Lake District, and I thought, why have we seen so much rainfall, especially with the amount of cool water extending from the UK out into the North Atlantic? What is the source of all that moisture? And if you look at the satellite image, and I've tweeted about this and I will post on this on the website in the next few days, but we had a very nice, tightly wound area of low pressure over Scotland, but we had spiraling rain bands that actually was originating over the Baltic Sea. And the Baltic Sea is running about 3 or 4 Celsius above normal, and with that energy getting transferred up into the system, wrapping around the area of low pressure, and what we've seen is that arm of moisture was crossing over this very warm water, then out over the cold waters of the Atlantic, and in a sense, that cold water may have transferred to an enhanced condensation, which therefore enhanced the amount of rainfall. So you've got the stalled area of low pressure, you've got the moisture coming from a warm source out over cold water, and that's enhancing the condensation process. And of course you've got the geography as well of the upward lift as well. So a very interesting situation even in the last few days across the British Isles, and we'll continue to look at the UK setup as we go forward, because I'm very intrigued as to this cold water here extending from the UK westwards. That will have an impact for sure as we go forward here, with maybe unusually cool weather later down the road. But certainly the global weather pattern is active, as it always is, of course, but we are seeing the results of this warmer and colder than normal water and the response to the atmosphere. So interesting times to come, and I'll have more in the next couple of days. Hope you have a great evening. Bye for now.